So, hello everyone. So, hello everyone. In this video, we are starting with the issue and the redemption of debenture 12 marks question. It is 100% we will get in the examination, right? So, the question is on the board. You can take a screenshot or write it down the question, whatever however you like, you do that. Correct. So we will not go into the concept and we will solve it blindly, and it will be a easy question for you. You can blindly get 12 marks out of it, right? Let us start. So if you taken the screenshot, can read the question once, or let us read the question together. So here 30th question, right? Give the journal entry for issue of debenture for the following cases in the books of Reliance Company Limited. So you can see on the board or else. So the first is issue of 2 lakh 9% debenture of 100 each at par and redeemable at par. Correct. So the second one, so we'll read with the solution only, so we can start solving the question. So here I need some space, so this much space is enough, I think so. It's okay, or else so I'll take this space. Okay, now it will be visible for you. All right, so this calculation you can do in your examination in the last paper of your answer sheet. Don't write it in the with the solution. Correct. So here it is issue and here it is redemption. Just write this. Let us solve the question. Correct. So the first one A, you can see on the board, issue of 2 lakh debenture 2 lakh 9% debenture of 100 each at par and redeemable at par. So they are issuing at par, correct, and redeeming at par. Issuing at par, redeeming at par, which means they are issuing 2 lakh debentures, correct? So there will be no discount, no premium. So straight away 2 lakh issue, 2 lakh redemption, right? So this is the first one, and with this you should do one more thing. Let us do that. So the first entry will be, right, okay, issue of par, right, okay. So now the first which is for, let me write it as A, correct. So the entry will be bank account debit to how much percentage debenture, 9% debenture application and allotment account, correct. So the narration will be, you should write it down. The narration will be application money, being application money received, or being 9% debenture application money received. However you want, you can write it down, correct. So write it down. The next entry clearly, just reverse this entry. 9% debenture application and allotment account, it will be debit to 9% debenture account. 9% debenture application and allotment account debit to 9% debenture account. So write down the first entry. You should remember this four or two entries, correct? So you should remember these two entries. That's it. A is done. So with me, copy paste the work. With me, copy paste the work for entire question, right? So this will be your solution. The first, bank account, copy paste bank account debit to 9%, or whichever the second B1. Be careful with the percentage of debenture. The B1 is 10% debenture, not 9%, correct? To 10% debenture application allotment account, to 10% debenture application and allotment account, right? Copy paste, just change the percentage. Here it is 9%, here we'll write the question specifies 10% debenture, correct? Next, this also copy paste, but with a little gap, now write 9%, or it is 10%, right? In the B, reverse this, just reverse this. 10% debenture application allotment account, it will be debit here. 10% debenture, what it is, application and allotment account, here it will be debit. Next, to 9% debenture account, here we need to change the percentage. 10%, change it to 10% too. So we need a gap here. Just write all the entries with a gap. To 10% debenture account, here we need a gap. So the narration will be application money transferred to debenture account. Application money transferred to debenture account for these two. Here application money received, here application money transferred to debenture account. Narration will be same for all the 4 journal entries, correct? 4 or 8 journal entries, correct? Okay, so that's it. Second one is also over. Right, third one, that is C, correct? Just copy paste bank account debit. Next, what is the percentage of debenture? It is 12%. Just copy paste that here. Bank account debit to how much percentage? C1, 12%, to 12% debenture application and allot. So we need space for amounts, right? Sorry, we need some space for amounts. So write it here. Is that enough? So the third one, just copy paste the same. Bank account debit to how much percentage? For C it is 12%. Be careful with the percentage of debenture application and allotment account, correct? Right, just copy paste with the change of percentage. So next, here 9% debenture application allotment, just reverse these. 12% debenture application and allotment account to application allotment account to 12% debenture account. 12% debenture account. Correct. So shall we solve these three and go for the D? Right, the first one we already solved it. So issued at par, you can read it once again. Issue of 2 lakh 9% debenture of 100 each at par, issued at par and redeemable at par. Correct. So par will be the same amount, whatever the given amount is there, the same. 2 lakh is given, 2 lakh, 2 lakh on the both side. So here in the bank 2 lakh and credit will be 2 lakh, and write the same for the second entry 2 lakh, just it transfers here, and debenture 2 lakh. Right, now onwards, right, to all the 9% or 10% or 12% or last one 8% debenture account, the second entry, the same amount. Right, to 10% debenture account credit, it will be straight away 2 lakh. Here 12% debenture, straight away 2 lakh. Correct, that is 2 lakh, don't confuse, that is 2 lakh. And for D1 also we will write it as 2 lakh, we will do it later when we will do. Correct. So fine, so now the second entry, for the second entry, read the question. Issue of 2 lakh 10% debenture of 100 each at a premium, issued at premium, and redeemable premium is 5%, you can note it on 5% premium. Right, then next, redeemable at par. Here par means 2 lakh, the amounts are same, though be 2 lakh, amounts are all same, just write par equals 2 lakh, this side 2 lakh, that's it. Next, so issued at premium, which means 2 lakh, premium is 5%, just multiply with 105%. If it is 10%, just multiply with 110%. If it is 15%, multiply with 115%, that's it. It will be 2 lakh 10,000, correct me if I am wrong, 2 lakh 10,000. So now so we will receive in bank of rupees 2 lakh 10,000, straight away in bank 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 10,000. Here to 10% debenture application allotment money, just we have reversed that 10% debenture application allotment account, debited that. So write the same amount, 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 10,000. So which side, let me just separate these, don't get confused. Correct. So now, so which side is less? Credit side is less. For how much? For 10,000. For 10,000, just write 10,000 on the credit side. And now what we should write for this? So here it is premium, just write security premium. Just write security premium. Security premium. If we get premium on issue, we will write it as security premium. If we get premium on redemption, we will write it as premium on redemption of debenture. So in D case you will get that, don't worry about that. So right, so once again we will revise it. So first we will write these four, next we will copy paste with a gap. From the first only you should give a gap. So for the second entry you will give a gap for these two. Next copy paste with change of percentage, and this also copy paste with a change of percentage with a gap. Correct. Next here also the same thing, copy paste and leave a gap. Oh, I didn't lift the, I didn't give the gap. Just a second. What it is? To 12% debenture account, correct? So here it will be 2 lakh on the credit side. So right, okay, fine. So two entries we have completed. Let's go to the third one. See, issue of, you can read it on the board. Issue of 2 lakh 12% debenture of 100 each at a discount, which means issued at discount. Issued at discount, correct? Issued at discount of 5%. Right, fine. Next, redeemable at par. So par means whatever the given amount. So 2 lakh is given, just 2 lakh. That's it. Right. So for discount, how we'll calculate 2 lakh into 95%, which means 100 minus 5. If it is 10%, we will get 90%. If it is 15%, we will get 85%. If it is 20%, we will get 80%. So it will be 1,90,000. It will be 1,90,000. If you multiply, you will get that. So in bank account, we will receive 1,90,000. In the bank account, 1,90,000. Right, 1,90,000 on the credit side also. 1,90,000. So here we have reversed this 12% debenture application and allotment account, 12% debenture application and allotment debit. So write the same amount, 1,90,000. Fine. So which side is less? Which side is less? Debit side is less for 10,000. Debit side is less for 10,000. So what should we write? So what we have did here, it is discount. Just write discount on issue of debenture. Discount on issue of debenture. You write it in full. That's it. Discount on issue of debenture debit. So let me write it clearly. Here how much is less? 10,000 is less on the debit side, and write it as discount on issue of debenture and debit, correct, for 10,000. Third entry is done. Third entry is done. Please note it down. We will move for the fourth one. So you noted it down. So you noted it down. So let us go for the fourth one. Let us erase the first one, first entry, or this also. So we need so fine. Now the same, we need to write 12%, whatever the percentage is given, 8% is given. Just change it for 8%. Just change it for 8%. Next, we should write it as, we should write 8% debenture account with a gap to 8% debenture account. So here we will write 2 lakh, whatever the given amount is there, correct? So 2 lakh is given, 2 lakh we will write. So next step, so we need to calculate this, right? So let me erase. You can note it down if you didn't. So let us do D. correct. So issue of 2 lakh 8% debenture of 100 each at par, issued at par, correct. Next redeemable at a premium of 5%, redeemable at premium 5%. Par means whatever the given amount. They have given 2 lakh, just write 2 lakh here, right. Next, premium, for premium 2 lakh into 105%. If they have given 10%, we will get 110%. If they have given 15%, we will get 115%. Right, it will be how much? 2 lakh 10,000. 2 lakh 10,000. Correct me if I am wrong. Okay, fine. So in bank we will get 2 lakh, right. In bank we will get 2 lakh. In bank we'll get 2 lakh, right, fine. So is that visible? So okay, fine. Next copy paste, because we are reversing that, the same amount will be there, 2 lakh rupees, correct. So which side is less? Both are equal. So how we can make an entry for this 10,000 premium. So we are getting on redemption of premium, so we'll write it as premium on redemption of debenture. But where we should write? So both side are equal, just write 10,000 both side are equal. So I'm writing 10,000 on both side. So here I will write premium on redemption of debenture, So next what I will write here, just write loss on issue of debenture. That's it. Your 12 marks question is over. If you have any doubts, you can ask through Instagram, and if there is any suggestions, you can leave at the comment. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video, and if you like the video, please subscribe and share it to your friends so that they can also get a good marks in the accounts paper. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.